Knowledge of basic mathematics is crucial in practical life for several reasons. Everyday tasks. Basic math is used in everyday activities like budgeting, grocery shopping, cooking, and home improvement. It helps you calculate costs, measurements, and make informed decisions. Financial literacy. Understanding math is essential for managing finances. It enables you to calculate income, expenses, savings, investments, and loans, ensuring financial stability. Career opportunities. Many professions require math skills, from engineering and science to finance and data analysis. Proficiency in math can lead to better job opportunities and higher earning potential. Problem solving. Math teaches problem-solving skills, which are valuable in various situations, from troubleshooting technical issues to making critical decisions. Healthcare. In healthcare, math is used for dosage calculations, interpreting test results, and understanding health statistics, ensuring safe and effective care. Travel and navigation. Math is essential for navigation, whether it's calculating distances, estimating travel times, or using GPS systems. Technology use. Understanding math concepts is crucial when using technology, from programming and computer science to setting up electronic devices. Data interpretation. In an age of big data, mathematical skills are vital for interpreting and making sense of data, which is essential in various fields, including marketing, research, and policy making. Home improvement. Math helps with measurements and calculations when renovating or decorating your home, ensuring projects are completed accurately and efficiently. Critical thinking. Math fosters critical thinking and problem-solving abilities that are beneficial in many aspects of life, helping you analyze situations and make informed choices. In summary, basic mathematics is a fundamental skill that empowers individuals to navigate the complexities of modern life, make informed decisions, and pursue a wide range of career opportunities.